Hello everyone, Isam here. Welcome to my second tutorial, and sorry about the audio again, I'm still using my webcam. This tutorial is the text portrait picture one, and I'm going to show you an easier way to make that effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is duplicate my picture, turn off the background layer, and then I'm going to make a new file new, any size will do here. Okay, then here, keep the background as white, make a new layer, and this is where you're going to type in all your text. So choose a clear text up here. I'm just going to choose Arial for this. Then this is where you just type in your random text like random, and then new layer, type in text, and then you can duplicate stuff like this by pressing Ctrl and J. That's how you duplicate, and then reposition and resize your text. Then get the crop tool and crop it to wherever you want. Turn off the background layer, go to edit, and then define brush preset here. Type in whatever you want, then press OK. I've done it already. So here, now I'm going to press this icon here for the new layer, choose my brush, which is going to be right here. Okay, make sure you got this clicked here. That's going to help you choose between black and white by pressing X. Now, I'm using a black, you can use any color you want. I'm going to just click, keeping on one layer, I'm going to click on her face so the text prints on the picture. And I'm using the square brackets to increase and decrease the size. I'm doing this roughly. Alright. Then, look here. In my layers palette, I'm going to press Control. Wait, let me call this text. This is my text layer, yeah? I'm going to hover over the thumbnail, hold Control, and click. These marching ants will appear. So then, I'm going to turn off the text layer, go back onto the picture, and press Control and J. Nothing happened. That's because nothing happened. Okay. Alright. In this layer, layer 3, underneath the picture, I'm going to call that background layer, BG. I'm just going to use white, so click white, that becomes white. Then, I'm going to turn off the picture layer. Then you'll see just the writing comes, which is here. Call this result here. Then, I'm going to do the same thing again. Turn this off, turn this back on, put a layer on top. What I'm going to do now, and click on brushes here. If you can't find this, you've got to go to Windows, then make sure brushes is selected, which is here. So yeah, click on that. I'm going to go to Shape Dynamics, make the spacing around 149. You can choose whatever you want. Then I'm just gonna click once and then move my mouse up and down. Then I'm gonna do the same thing. Control and click on the picture, Control and J, turn off the white one. I can delete this and turn this one off and put this one back on. So now I have two. Okay, if I turn this off, this one here, I have the bottom one, which I can double click, get into layer styles, click on drop shadow, and I'm gonna pick around 126 for the angle, distance around 6, size I'll pick around 2. Then if I do the same for that one, you can see that it's just in text. if I zoom out, it's just going to be the text. The only thing wrong with this picture is that all my text, it's all like jumbled up together. I need to put more spacing in, and you can do this by clicking here, then go to scattering, and see, now I'm going to have more space between. And then when you that effect will create all the spaces between the text and the sizes, which is something I can't bother to do right now, sorry. That's basically it. Yeah. Oh, and one more thing, if you just want the face to be in the text, you can extract the picture first. So if I wanted, I can go back to the top and make sure I extracted the picture first. Control J, turn this off, and do this roughly. For example, just the face will be extracted. Control and J, turn this off, and then if I apply the effect to this one, I'll just get the text of the face. No beach will be in the background. Thank you so much for watching this. Please rate and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. Ask me any questions you got. Just ask me straight on Twitter, and I will reply back as soon as I can. That's the fastest way to contact me, at Isam Altaf. The link is in the description. Okay, bye.